you are about to apply for monetization or you are already closer to getting monetized on YouTube, please wait and do not rush it, because this particular thing that I am about to share with you right now, most channels are getting rejected simply because of they ignore it. I've been able to monetize more than 3 channels currently, and whatever I am sharing with you now, they are based on experience. So I'm going to be sharing with you these 3 things and how you can be able to avoid it. If not, you apply and YouTube might as well bounce it, which is reject it. So try your best to make sure to pay attention and watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you don't miss any important information. Okay, so without much being said, let's get started. First thing is, YouTube now manually checks your content before its approval. So therefore, you must try your best to remove or unlist anything that is either reused, low quality, or even copyright risky. For example, reuse the TikTok videos with watermarks, which is all these videos you go over to TikTok and you bring them down here without even using any new sound. You just post it directly. If you have them on your channel, rush now, go ahead to get rid of it. Now, another thing is, if you have all these video compilations on your channel, you compile other people's video, you jam them together and you post them on your channel. The third thing is, you see music playing in your background. This one actually almost affected this my main channel when I was newly applying for monetization. I discovered that 3 of my live stream was actually in danger. So what did I need to do? I just had to delete them. And I believe that was what really helped me in order for my own monetization to not be rejected, because YouTube told me that the background sound, because I was doing live stream and my son was watching this thing Coco Melon and Sophia the First. So the music was very, very loud and it reflected on the live stream. So what did I do? I had to bring them down. I had to delete it. So if you have such on your channel, try your best to make sure you get rid of them. Then another thing is, maybe you are doing silent screen recording, or your channel you do things like silent videos without any value, without any commentary. Just try your best to make sure you get rid of it, or you add value, which is go over to YouTube studio, make use of that edit, pick out maybe a sound from YouTube audio library, fix it in, and your content can as well be safe. And also another thing you need to make sure to pay attention to is your thumbnail, your title, and the content itself. So try your best to make them intentional. Okay, so tip number 2 is set up your about section and channel branding. Now you have to understand that before YouTube will accept your monetization, YouTube will first of all go through your channel. So if your channel is looking non-original, or maybe your channel is looking abandoned or feeling spammy, it can as well be flagged. That is why you have to make sure that every single thing concerning your channel is set. That is starting from your YouTube banner down to your profile, down to your channel description. Make sure that every single thing is intact. So what you need to do is, before you go ahead to apply, check out your YouTube channel, check out the banner if it is there, if it speaks relating to the kind of content you are uploading. Then secondly, check out your profile. The next thing is your main channel description. Make sure it has that is the right description of your channel. Then go through your videos, the kind of thumbnails you are bringing out, and even pay attention to your videos description. All these things, they count for monetization. And lastly, tip number 3, which has actually caused a lot of channels to be rejected from time to time, is try your best to double check your channel. Double check it for community guideline, double check it for strike and warnings. Because if you don't know, common one strike or community warning can hold down your application. That is, can delay YouTube from approving it for months or even weeks. That is why you have to try your best to check out if your channel is not guilty of any of them. For example, try your best to check out if you received any strike before, or let's say some of your videos were copyrighted due to the background song, or maybe YouTube sends you email that your videos are being prevented from displaying in some region. All these things, try to check them out if you have any of them on your channel. And what you can do is try your best to go over to YouTube Studio, then click on that setting, head over to channel, then check your status and features. Now try to check if your channel have a good standing. If not, it might as well affect you. Then if there is any problem that you know that you can fix immediately, try your best to remove it. Remove or fix any videos before you even go ahead to apply. Just like as I told you guys earlier on about those 2 to 3 live stream that would have made YouTube reject my monetization. It was just by me watching videos like this online. Then I went ahead to delete it and I was fully accepted. So that is why you have to try your best to always re-edit your channel by yourself before you go over to apply. Because another thing is one hidden copyright or maybe strike that you got like 8 months ago could hinder or block your monetization or could as well delay it. But if you're able to like detect it on time, okay, no, okay, this was where I went wrong, and try your best to fix it, then you can be safe. So if you're currently at your 1000 subscribers and you are close to your 4000 watch hours, or you have finally hit the 4000 watch hour, before you go ahead to apply, try to check out all this. But if you check them out and your channel is not having any of them, then go ahead to successfully apply. So the video that I'll be dropping tomorrow, or my next video, is going to be how to set up and apply for YouTube monetization. And before I forget, most at times some of us we apply for the YouTube partnership program, and within a day or two every single thing is verified. But there are some channels. There was one particular channel that I came across one time when I was doing some review and setup. That is setting up the channel for AdSense. Oh my god, it took us more than 1 month for YouTube to review the channel finish. The channel had a lot of error. So most of the time when you are experiencing delay, just know that there are some things that YouTube find offensive on your channel. So always try your best to make sure you upload the right videos. Avoid anything that will bring issue on your channel, okay? And yes, that brings us to the end of this video. If you find this video helpful in any ways, please do well to like this video if you've not done that. Drop me your comment. Lastly, do not forget to connect with this channel, which is subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.